If you're about to buy a brand new Firestick, then hold it right there, because the Onn 4K Pro 2nd generation has been leaked again, and this time we can now clearly see the new design, the new ports, and one huge clue tells us that this could be the best streaming device from Walmart so far. But here's the question: is this device now finally the one that beats the Firestick 4K Max, the Google Streamer 4K, and maybe even gets close to the Nvidia Shield territory at a fraction of the price? Because from the leaked images, I noticed one thing, because if Walmart gets this detail right, this could easily become one of the best streaming boxes available in 2026. So AFTV News just shared the new leaked images of the 2nd generation Onn 4K Pro. And unlike the first leak, you can now clearly see the ports, the design, and what this new box will look like. And the first thing I noticed was that this box definitely looks a lot more premium, looks a lot more polished, and very similar to the Google TV Streamer 4K in that oval box design compared to the previous regular square puck shape. But what matters most for power users are the ports at the back, and now you can clearly see that you will get an Ethernet port, which tells me that Walmart is still positioning this as a serious streaming device rather than some other cheap budget streaming stick. Now here's where it gets interesting, because the ports may look familiar, but the real story is what's actually inside this box. And based on previous leaks and FCC filings, this new version is expected to ship with the Amlogic chipset, likely from the same family used in the newer Onn 4K Plus. But what does that give us? That gives us faster app launches, it gives us better menu responsiveness, it gives us smoother 4K playback, better AV1 efficiency, and hopefully less of those weird slowdowns that some people have experienced on the previous Onn 4K Pro. Now comparing this to where we are with the Firestick, we know that the big Amazon is pushing more adverts, more lockdowns, more restrictions, and really just tightening up the entire ecosystem, making you more and more restrictive whilst using their platform. Whereas on the Onn side or general Android TV side, you do get a cleaner Google TV UI, you get better launcher flexibility, fewer restrictions, and greater sideloading support. Yes, they do have the built-in Play Protect, but as you've seen in the past, it is quite easy to turn that off. So if things keep moving in the same direction and you do get that greater flexibility, then I'm sure lots of people would move away from the Firestick if you are able to purchase this box wherever you are in the world. Because if you're looking for a box for better Kodi support, better IPTV support, VPN support, custom launchers, Android TV flexibility, less restrictions, more file transfer options, you definitely know that the Android TV side is typically more flexible than the more restricted Amazon Fire TV equivalent. But let's talk about the one thing that everybody wants, which I believe is gigabit Ethernet. So Wi-Fi, as fast as it can be, you always have issues with interference, how far you are from the router, other devices hogging your connection, Wi-Fi congestion in your area, even in your house. But having a single dedicated Ethernet port completely takes out all of those complications and gives you that solid, dependable, reliable connection. So if this new box has that gigabit Ethernet, I think that could persuade many people to jump ship. Even people that are currently using the Nvidia Shield Pro, which does have a gigabit port, even they may be tempted to jump over to a brand new device with a very capable chipset, and of course with that gigabit Ethernet port if it has it. And this is where this device could become amazing value, because if Onn keep the aggressive pricing and prices at around about $50, $60, $70, then I do think this will be a very, very popular device. But again, if it is available in your area, because we have seen in the past where Onn have restricted where you can activate this device. Even if you're able to get this outside USA, you may have to do a workaround to allow you to activate the device. But it will be interesting to see if Onn also add the restrictions to this newer Onn 4K Pro 2nd generation. If you are looking to purchase a brand new streaming device then and can wait a little bit longer, then it may be worthwhile waiting to see exactly what this new device offers and seeing if it's a better fit than currently what's available in the market today. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know if you're interested with this new device. Let me know if you already have a more powerful device like the Nvidia Shield, and would you consider jumping ship for a new device like this? So I really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.